Hello and welcome to the last training course you'll ever need on list building. If your goal is to build a long-term business that's profitable, lean, and provides a steady income for years to come, well, you've come to the right place. List building is the lifeblood of business success for anyone who is building a business online. It allows you to build relationships with your clients, learn about the problems they're experiencing, and accumulate sales over time. The problem with list building is it's also the area that most people struggle with the most. Why? Well, personally, I think people just make it way too complicated. Confucius once said, "Life is really simple, but we insist on making it complicated." The same can be said of business, even the easy road of building a business online. When it comes down to it, building a list has just a few main steps. You pick your niche, or niche as some people pronounce it, you set up a squeeze page, you offer a free gift, and finally you set up a sales funnel. That's it. But before we get to those steps, let's talk about a few misconceptions about what successful list builders really do. If you've been around for a while and you've heard a bunch of junk on forums, you may still be surprised at what actually works. And we'll get down to it in the next video.